In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to disable voiceover mode on your Apple Watch, or how to get out of voiceover mode if you feel like your Apple Watch is stuck in that mode. So I'm going to take you through the process. So the first thing I want to do is enter the passcode. Now, like any voiceover mode, you need to tap on something once to select it, and then double tap on it to actually actuate it, or actually activate that option. So for instance, if I want to type 0, I'll tap on 0 to select it, and it's going to tell me that is 0. And then now to type 0, I'll double tap. And since 0 is already selected, I can just double tap on it again to type another 0 and another, because that's my passcode. So you need to do this for your own passcode. My passcode is 0000. Yours should be something different.
6:39 and 36 seconds.
So once your Apple Watch is unlocked, press on the crown once. That takes you to the main menu page. Now to scroll on this main menu page, you need 2 fingers. So just swipe and look for settings.
Reminders.
So here we have settings. So tap on it once to select,
Settings.
and then double tap to actually go to settings.
Heading.
And then here, fortunately, with the crown, you can scroll, and you want to scroll to accessibility, and then tap on it once, and then double tap to actually press accessibility, and you should see voiceover. Okay, so tap on voiceover, and then double tap. Then now we have the button for voiceovers. We now have the voiceover button selected. So all you have to do is double tap on the toggle button to turn it off.
VoiceOver off.
And that's it. We have now disabled voiceover, and now as you can see, we can now navigate our Apple Watch as usual. That's basically how to turn off or how to disable voiceover mode on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.